Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into an important topic that affects us all: food safety. Join us as we explore practical ways to protect ourselves from foodborne pathogens and ensure healthier dining experiences. Let's equip ourselves with the knowledge and strategies needed to stay safe in the kitchen and at the table. Wash hands before and after handling food, especially raw meat and eggs. Thoroughly clean surfaces before and after food preparation, particularly when handling raw meat or fish. Use separate cutting boards for raw meat and fish to prevent cross-contamination. Store raw meat separately and at the bottom of the refrigerator to prevent drippings onto other foods. Cook meat thoroughly to eliminate harmful bacteria and store leftovers promptly. Keep the refrigerator below 5 degrees C, 41 degrees F, and avoid overloading it to maintain proper airflow. Don't ignore use-by dates, especially for perishable items like meat, fish, eggs and dairy. Avoid preparing food for others when sick to prevent the spread of illness. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly to remove bacteria and pesticide residues. Washing meat does not remove bacteria and can spread contamination to surfaces. Defrost food, especially meat and fish, in the refrigerator to prevent bacterial growth. Refrain from tasting food suspected to be bad, as even a small amount can cause illness. Certain foods carry a higher risk of causing food poisoning due to bacterial contamination. These include poultry, such as chicken and turkey, which often harbor Campylobacter and Salmonella. Fish and shellfish can quickly become unsafe if not stored at the proper temperature, while rice can contain Bacillus cereus, which may survive cooking and pose a risk when left at room temperature. Deli meats, particularly those from deli counters, may contain Listeria and Staphylococcus aureus, while eggs are frequently contaminated with Salmonella. Unpasteurized dairy products, sprouts, melons, salads, flour, ground meat, potato salad and red kidney beans also carry their risks. Proper cooking, storage and handling practices are essential to minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses associated with these foods. Remember, taking proactive measures against foodborne illnesses is crucial for our well-being. Implement these tips in your daily routine to safeguard yourself and your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful content. Click below for my #1 healthy diet plan recommendation. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy your meals responsibly.